So it's been about 2.5 years since I decided to start an AI agency where I basically sell ads and AI to local businesses. Now, I'm so grateful to say, but I started in the trenches, okay? I was literally at zero for the longest time. I think I went like 8 months with making only $100. Since then, I've scaled from zero to around $30,000 a month in recurring revenue. And I've had clients for literally over 2 years now, but I have a confession to make. It's been a while since I've signed more clients for that business. I've had clients for so long. And the thing is that like I've been out of the game for a little bit. So I'm doing something that's a little bit insane. Like honestly, I'm probably going to regret this because I'm going to create so many competitors and ultimately I might even fail too. But I'm going to start an entire AI agency from scratch. I'm talking like everything. I'm literally going to restart from zero. Yes, I will keep my clients for that I've had in the past, but I'm literally going to reset back to square one where I'm picking my niche, building my offer, getting clients for the first time, booking appointments, taking calls, and I'm going to do the entire thing for free for you. Now, I know that this is the most ridiculous thing like I've ever done, like by far. Like I have a 10-hour video on my channel that's pretty ridiculous. This might be more ridiculous than that. It's going to be multiple episodes long. You're going to see everything from start to finish. I'm not going to gatekeep a single thing. And honestly, this isn't smart. I just want to provide a ridiculous amount of value so you know that there are some good people out there that you can trust with your time. So it's going to be absolutely insane. But let me tell you a little bit of a story because back when I started, I made, like I said, $100 in my first around 8-ish months of this. And I'd been researching for a long time before then, right? Like probably a year and a half. So I was like so certain I knew what I was doing and I was like so ready to get this business off the ground, but it didn't work. I did cold calls for every single day. I literally like went to high school every day, would work during classes when I could, and I would do like 200 cold calls a day, and I made like $100 in 8 months. Like it was terrible. I signed one client and I basically only charged $100 because I wasn't confident in my own services. It was only until I paid for information and like kind of actually learned the systems and got my feet, wet a little bit in the water where I was like, okay, I think I have a better idea about how to do this. Let me, be more confident in the calls because I can, ask people on how to fulfill. And before you know it, I had my first ever $10,000 a month. Shortly after, I had 20, I had a 30. And ever since then, it's been up, or down, depending on the month. But the truth is that it's been a while. I've been in this game for a while, yet I haven't really ever done this. I've never gone back to zero and tested myself and be like, with what I know now, is it even possible for me to do this? Like, am I just going to record this live and fail in front of literally everyone? Because I have hundreds of people that already signed up to watch this and it's completely free. And if you want a free bonus in the description, you can click it and sign up and get like a free bonus or whatever with some of my snapshots and some value just beforehand just to get you to show up. But like, honestly, I could fail in front of literally everyone. And that would be pretty embarrassing considering the fact that I have like 10-hour courses and I have so many clients. And it's like, but I know so much about this stuff that there's just no way it's going to happen. So on May 17, in 9 days from when this video is a week probably from when this video is posted, you are going to see it live on this channel. So mark your calendars, 1 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be insane. I remember every single day after cold calling, like feeling like I was going nowhere. And it's true. I wasn't going anywhere because I wasn't doing any work that was high leverage because I didn't know what the high leverage work was. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. And this video will tell you what you're supposed to do, right? It's very rare that the reason why someone can't succeed with a business like this, where they sell ads or maybe AI to local businesses, is very rarely because of the information online. There's tons of information. It's always the implementation. And this is proof. Like I'm literally going to show you my bank statements from this shit, like tax receipts, whatever I can. And I'm going to show you me implementing it from start to finish. Literally everything. Like honestly, I'm shocked because I don't think this is smart. Like it's smart in the sense that I'll, provide a bunch of value and hopefully everyone watching will enjoy it. But it's like, I'm creating competitors for myself at like literally live because I'm building it in front of you. I'm not just doing this for a YouTube video saying, oh my gosh, I'm going to start an AI agency from scratch to prove it's not luck and get like one client and then just forget about it and coach. Like, no, I'm going to do this from start to finish. I'm going to try to hit 20K a month and do it live. So it's going to be insane. Like, it's going to be undeniable because I believe, like, I've helped so many people do this. Like, I've helped Sam, I've helped Philippe, I've helped Ramiz, I've helped like so many people, Ethan, like tons of people that have been gone through my programs and like learning from me one-on-one, Dante, as well as like these people, they're not special cases. You know, they're from all different areas in the world, you know, different experience levels, most of them completely beginner. And it's like with enough one-on-one work with me and them on a call, it's like we can build something real. And we have, you know, we've got so many agencies that are at $10, $20, even $30,000 a month as well. It's like, why can't I do it as well? But this time I'm going to show everybody live. Now, I know there's tons of people on the internet saying this, that, and everything else in between, and a lot of people selling stuff and just trying to make, you know, a quick dollar off of you. And I honestly understand it. But I used to work at a car wash and I used to make $15 an hour. I used to not like my life. I was starting to take tons of drugs and drink like literally almost like multiple times a week and party, and just like I hated who I was becoming. You know, I actually applied to go to college and went there in person before I dropped out eventually in, you know, a couple weeks because I just couldn't do it. But like that path, it's just not good enough. It wasn't good enough for me. And I know the pain and, you know, how hard it is knowing so well that like you are meant for more. Like there is something, you know, life can't just be this, but not actually knowing exactly what to do, when to do it to change your life in a significant way. I'm so grateful to say that I've been able to change my life. Like I'm literally moving down to like one of my dream apartments. It's like four point whatever K a month. That's like in like a couple of days, you know, and these things, like it's only because I took ruthless action and failed while I was going. But like, even if you just don't know if you want to take action yet and build one of these businesses, at least watch me do it in front of you to see if it's something that you want to do. You know, I could try to convince you in a million ways and give you 10 billion bonuses to show up to this, but it's like, if you genuinely want to try to change your life in a way, in a meaningful way, and start some kind of business, whether it's some kind of online business, coaching, consulting, AI agencies where you're selling ads or AI to businesses, or ad agencies or social media marketing agency, like whatever you want to do, I promise that if you watch this video, it will completely change your life. I do have an 11-hour video on my channel that has pretty much all the information that I wish I had when I started, but all the info is great. You know, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's not implementation. It's not doing it live in front of you. And I will be shocked if you could find one person in this entire space on YouTube that teaches people how to start some kind of AI agency or local or online business that actually did this. Not just for a video, but actually got this business from $0 to $10,000, $20,000 a month live in front of you. And it's going to be hard as shit because I've done this in the past and I know how painful it is, but I'm going to do it because I need to prove to everyone that it's possible even now. And I also want to just prove to myself. You know, like I said earlier, it's been a while. You know, it's been a while since I've had to hop on calls with new prospects and try to sell my services and get my feet dirty. And, you know, it's been hard. You know, it's been a while. And I truly believe that anyone can do it if they really just know what to do and take ruthless action on it. I truly believe that. And so that is the reason why I'm doing this. So I really hope that you decide to show up. Wherever you are in the world. It's going to be May 17th at 1 p.m. Eastern. I'm sorry for the lack of value in this video, but the value in that video that's coming out is going to be, it's going to destroy everything in this entire space. Honestly, like I don't think anyone's ever done this, ever. Like literally ever. Starting a business live in front of you, just like doing every step, documenting it, bank statements, everything. I'll show you literally everything. Nothing gatekeeping. So again, I hope you show up May 17th. If you want to check it out, you want some more details, and if you want that bonus, because I include a free roadmap in there on like how you can basically follow along with me as I do this, depending on your situation and your budget. If you want to check that out, it's the description, the only link in the description. You can just sign up. It'll also maybe like have you invite a friend or two because this video is going to be absolutely game changing. And if you can be on it as fast as humanly possible and be one of the ones that take action right away, and you know, not one of the ones that put it back a couple weeks, because the truth is, I'm going to be taking like action so fast in that video, taking ruthless action, not even fully explaining what I'm doing like half the time. I'm just going to do it in front of you and show you what I'm doing. The people that copy it and mimic and follow along, if like you don't sign 5, 10 clients, 20 clients and like actually scale, you are honestly an idiot. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like it's probably your fault. It's genuinely probably your fault, because I'm literally going to make this as simple as, a little child could follow me and do it. So don't push this back at any time. Jump on this opportunity, because this is going to be insane. Be there when it happens on May 17th at 1 p.m. Eastern time, and be ready, because it's going to change your life, but only if you let it. So I look forward to seeing you. And that it's going to launch on my YouTube channel. It's going to be episode 1. There's probably going to be around 3 to 5 episodes, depending on how long it takes me to scale to 20K a month. Might take me longer. We'll see. Hopefully I don't fail miserably on camera for everyone. That would be very, very hard. But yeah, just stay tuned. Sign up down below if you want to get reminders and get some free bonuses in the meantime. And I'll just provide some value to you as well. And obviously all this is free, completely free. And you don't have to do anything special. Just enjoy it. Appreciate the fact that there's people in this space that are willing to provide this much value for free, and really just show you what it actually takes, to make a substantial change. I mean, I've been to Dubai and Greece and Europe and lived in Spain for 6 months, and like I've experienced all of this amazing life that if I didn't do this, I would have never experienced ever. Everyone talks about these dream trips that they want to go on before they die. I've been doing that for this like last 2 years. I've been doing all of those just because I can. Because this business is so good and the value I can provide to local businesses is so strong. I mean, I've had clients pay me literally like $50,000 plus individually. Like, that's a lot from one client. That's monthly recurring revenue. That's literally like the average person's rent or paycheck, honestly, for most jobs from one singular client. And in this, series, I'm going to get like 5 to 10 clients, get paid $20,000 a month from it, and show you the live receipts to do so. So I hope you're there. I hope you see you there. I hope you enjoy it. It's in 1 week from now, depending on when you're watching this, May 17th, 1 p.m. Eastern. Sign up down below if you want some free bonuses and some free details and some value as well. And I love you, and I will see you in a couple days.